So working with the eyes is a way that you can start to add emotion. Even if you have, let's say here's our bird, an eye, if you put your eyebrow going up versus your eyebrow going down, we start to get angry, but that might be inquisitive, or, you know, even if you put a little teardrop on there, maybe they're starting to cry. You can even add a little bit of a curve to that. Some other things that you could easily think about doing is if I'm going to put a big eye and then put the eyeball, whether you put it in the middle or you put it off to the side. So depending on how else, this could be, oh, I'm interested. This could be like, what's going on over there? Leave me alone. Some different ways that you can go through and you can do that. And, you know, the other thing is you can do is you can go through, you can give it some eyelashes and make it a little bit more on the girly side. So, or, you know, we didn't even talk about, you can even make them kind of squinty, like narrowing in somehow. Lots of ways of doing this. Just go have some fun.